Kimmy and I'm back with another cook with me. And today we're gonna be doing spinach dip. It's gonna be better than Applebee's, it's gonna be better than Cheddar, it's gonna be better than whatever you get your spinach dip from. So you're gonna need a big bowl, a little bowl, a spoon and something to mix with, a knife, a plate, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, sour cream, cream cheese, artichoke hearts, drained and cleaned, mayonnaise, yes mayonnaise, not Miracle Whip, spinach frozen or fresh, and okay y'all, onion powder. I need to get some more of that. Not too much on me because yes, I do have two types of salt. I have Himalayan salt and regular salt. And I do have what, three types of pepper? No, four types, three, but where's my white pepper? Oh yeah. I got three types of pepper. So I got black pepper, white pepper, and red pepper. And I got 3 garlics. I have granulated garlic. I have another one of these, but I'm gonna finish this one up. Garlic powder and minced garlic. So let's get started. We're gonna start with our artichoke hearts. And you're just gonna cut them small because I like mine cut small. You can do them in a blender or whatever. If y'all see something like blue, I literally just use this knife to open food coloring. And that's all it is. Like minutes ago. Okay, for my first step, I'm just gonna take some garlic powder. Sprinkle it over it, and some onion powder. My next step is softening cream cheese. So I just take my spatula and I kind of spread it. I just like to spread it flat before I start adding stuff. So I start with red pepper flakes. Not too much. My mama don't like it too spicy. Some smoked paprika. I like a lot of that. I can't tell y'all measurements. I'm sorry. I don't measure anything. Some onion powder. What they say? Season to the ancestors say when. Some salt. Himalayan salt as well. Garlic powder. Granulated garlic. Yes, you need all 3. Don't play with me. And minced garlic. I said that was a little, probably like a tablespoon of minced garlic. Black pepper. And a little bit of white pepper. Before I start, the reason I mix this into the cream cheese before I start adding the other things is because I wanted to mix in the cream cheese good, because the cream cheese is a little harder. After the cream cheese, you're gonna want to add some sour cream. Now you want to add some mayo. Now this is the part that's gonna seem a little crazy. All the seasonings I just put in here, finna do it again. We're going to add a couple of handfuls of mozzarella. I want to save some for the top. We're going to be putting quite a bit of Parmesan in there. Still save some for the top. I don't know. Oh, that was my water. We're going to transfer this into the other bowl. Okay, so there's no need to clean this bowl because you're just going to mix everything back in it again anyway. You're going to put your spinach. You're gonna put you some artichokes. And a good scoop of this. And you're gonna mix. I'm just gonna put the rest of the artichokes. And a little bit more spinach. I'm not gonna use this whole second bag. And we're gonna keep. When I'm done, I always top off, not all the seasons. I just do salt, pepper, paprika, the smoked paprika, and a little bit of garlic powder. I told y'all I need a baking dish to put it in. This is the dish I'll be using. I put it in this dish before and I like how the edges came out, so it was just like extra crispy in here. I don't know, I liked it. Okay, so y'all just pour it. You just pour it from the bowl into your dish. Like I said, I like this particular dish because I like how I do the edges. So they just was like extra crispy bits. I don't know how to explain it. But I just do it smooth. I just do it smooth and then I sprinkle a bit of Parmesan on the top. The block mozzarella, but I'll show y'all the best mozzarella to use if you don't want to grate your mozzarella yourself too. Okay, so if y'all want to get store-bought mozzarella, this is the best kind. The Kraft with the Philadelphia is so creamy. Okay, y'all, so yes, I put a few parsley flakes on there. Yes, it's totally unnecessary. It's extreme. You don't need it. Okay, y'all, got spinach dip in the oven. My bad, y'all. This is the spinach dip. I had really took a scoop right here without showing y'all first. But yeah, that's the spinach dip. It turned out so good. I'm so proud of myself. Yup. I'll go ahead and close out the video, but the clips for sorry, I was glitching. Hey, so measurements. I don't know. I have no clue. I don't measure anything. I don't. I just know. It just feels right. So for people who have said to me when I've ever taught them how to cook, ever tried to show them how to cook something, what's the measurements? My bad. Brands that I feel matter. Definitely Daisy sour cream. Philadelphia cream cheese. Don't skimp on those. Your mayo, I like Hellman's, but I feel like you can do whatever mayo because it really, the way it cooks down, you don't really taste it. This is my favorite Parmesan, but I feel like you can use any Parmesan as well. The mozzarella, I like the mozzarella you do on the block, but y'all saw I ended up putting some pre-made. I already told you, some pre-shredded. I already told y'all that the one with the Philadelphia cream cheese in it, best one. My hands are super ashy because I watch them so much when I cook. But the one with the Philadelphia cream, the Kraft with the Philadelphia is the best one because it melts better than the regular. If my nails look dirty, I literally made jello before this and I altered the color and they have food coloring, so that's why they look dirty. If they look dirty, they're not dirty. My hands are very clean. I wash my hands continuously when I cook. I do not wear gloves because gloves are actually dirtier than your real hands and you get a lot more cross-contamination and it collects like fuzz from your shirt, anything, any little bit of lint, anything from paper towels. It collects all that and it ends up in your food. So I don't like to wear gloves when I cook unless I'm like baking for somebody professionally and I know they mind. So but it's actually more sanitary with your hands, to be honest. It's not like I was digging my hands down like in the food. If I was, then yeah, I would put gloves on because like stuff gets under your nails and stuff like that, that type of thing. Then yeah, I wear gloves for that. Also, I'm just cooking this for me and my family. They don't care. They know I'm clean when I cook. They don't care. The reason I'm making the spinach dip is because I'm finna do another movie night by myself. Girl, what? You always doing movie nights by yourself, I know. And that's gonna be in my next vlog, but like it's probably gonna be a vlog after that, and then that vlog is gonna be 2 more vlogs because I just did a Garfield movie night by myself and I vlogged before some days before that too. So that vlog is probably going to be up before the one where I have the spinach dip, but I am gonna show y'all the spinach dip in this video so y'all can see it. I'm making like, I'm making like a food for each character, and no, I'm not gonna do a cook with me on each food because that would just take entirely too long. So yeah, you guys, I'm Kimmy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit the notification bell, ding, so you can be notified when I drop another video. And I'm out. Love you lots. Thanks for watching.
Said I'll be back to hold you down. I don't wanna leave you, baby.